Welcome to amglass International. We are the designers, manufacturers and exporter of handicraft glass artware. Our products include mouth-blown and hand-cut glass vases, tabletop accessories, lampshades, bathroom accessories and table lamps. Additionally, we have a capability to customize the product in accordance to the specifications provided by our clients.
With a cumulative experience of nearly 5 decades and having clients across the globe, we prioritize innovative and quality-driven products. At amglass, your trust is our responsibility.